Let's face it, today's commercial fire safety is stuck in old habits. Installers still route tons of cables and struggle with outdated control interfaces. Why? Because that's how it's always been. And no one dared to amend these unspoken rules. We at Ajax have already changed the security industry with our innovative approach to intrusion protection. Now we are bringing the same approach to commercial fire safety. Meet EN54 Line, a fully wireless fire detection and alarm system. EN54 Line is more than a new product line. It's a marvel of smart engineering. It includes everything needed to protect commercial sites: control and indicating equipment, range extenders, detectors, sounders, visual alarm devices, manual call points, and I/O modules, all designed to work together as one. At the core of the system is FireHub Jeweler, control and indicating equipment, delivering the look and feel of 21st century. 10-inch touchscreen shows everything you might need to manage the fire system. LED indicators and a buzzer ensure that fire alarms and faults never go unnoticed. You can manage the fire alarm system right on a screen. A clean and intuitive interface makes it super easy for everyone, and it speaks your language. Just choose the one you like. What makes all wireless Ajax devices superb is best-in-class connectivity. Powered by Jeweler, our system easily outperforms wired alternatives. With a range like that, you can scale across even the most complex sites. The communication between the hub and the devices is reliable over the entire distance. Need a larger network? You can use 5 range extenders within one system. Each range extender connects to the hub not only via the radio, but also Ethernet, perfect to overcome thick walls. When danger strikes, the system can trigger all devices at industry-leading speed, 3 seconds only, even if there are dozens and dozens of sounders and VATs. Well, that's what I call testing. And you don't need to buy any modules and alarm communicators. They are all built in. Hub stays connected through Ethernet, Wi-Fi or LTE, choosing the best channel automatically. Configuration is done in mobile or desktop Ajax apps. The system logics you have always been setting up is already here. No special tools, no programming, just a few toggles in the app. Because keeping people safe shouldn't be a rocket science. And there is more. Fire safety is just the start of what the hub can do. It is certified not only to EN54, but also EN50131 Grade 2. The hub supports fire safety, intrusion protection, and automation. You can integrate it all, and even enhance the system with video surveillance. With Ajax cameras and motion cam detectors, every alarm has a visual verification. So, in a critical moment, you don't just get a notification, you have the whole picture. One system to hunt down fires and intruders. Impressive, right? The installation process is just as you expect from Ajax. We thought out every detail and created Glenbox, the accessory for lateral cable entry. Clean design on the outside and remarkable performance on the inside. One fire hub can cover a lot. Just look at these incredible numbers and features. Enough to protect sites of different scales: restaurants, schools, offices or warehouses. This is the kind of reliability you want in every building. We've spent 2 years mastering confidence when the unexpected happens. And simplicity is so powerful that you forget how complex fire systems used to be. With that, let's move through vision to practice. I'm proud to give the floor to someone who doesn't just work in a fire safety industry. He defines it. Please welcome Paul Pope, a true legend of the industry.
I've been actively involved in the fire safety industry long enough to see entire generations of standards, products, and technologies. The industry must continue to evolve to improve property and life safety systems, especially today when everything is digital and automated, and the workforce is scarce and increasingly more expensive. There is a demand for solutions that are not only reliable, but also efficient. This is exactly what Ajax stands for. We believe a fully certified system should not be complicated. We were the first to prove it within the intrusion protection sector, and we have done it again with the fully wireless EN54 line. You are now familiar with the Fire Hub, so let's move on to the detectors, the foundation of any fire alarm system. 3 years ago, Ajax created its patented smoke detection technology. And for the EN54 line, we've now made it even better. The dual spectrum optical sensor works hand in hand with our proprietary software algorithms. This combination provides precise detection of real fires whilst reducing unwanted alarms. And trust me, I've seen enough unwanted alarms to last a lifetime. But with Ajax, that's not the case. And of course, fire is not only about smoke detection. For thermal fires, our heat detectors use 2 advanced thermistors. You can select any of the 10 operating modes within the Ajax apps to precisely match site-specific risks. Optical smoke and heat detectors are available with or without a built-in sounder. In total, 4 versions available in 2 colors. This offers flexibility to design every installation according to the project requirements. Next, sounders and visual alarm devices, or VADs as they're commonly known. We have created one design that provides the audible and visual range, a sounder, VAD, and combined sounder VAD. 3 models available in 3 colors. The performance is powerful, an LED frame flashing with intense red light, adjustable sounder output levels, and 32 selectable sound patterns. All 3 devices are dual certified for wall or ceiling categories. When the devices are installed to the correct standards, you will see and hear the alarm from every corner of the room. System integration and design flexibility are also extremely important. To meet this challenge, we have created a module with 2 inputs and 2 outputs. The module allows you to connect and control third-party devices and automate key actions during fire emergencies. For example, release fire doors, manage elevator access, unlock emergency exit doors, monitor sprinkler flow switches, and many, many more. Whichever active fire protection measures are deployed within the building, the module will make it work. Manual call points are also part of the system solution. Press the resettable element to raise an instant alarm and reset the element with a key. Mechanically simple and reliable. Now, what ties all these devices together? Built-in communicators, impressive range, long-lasting autonomy, and batteries that you can replace in seconds. This is what we call the Ajax DNA. Now let's talk numbers. 5 minutes. That's all you need to install and configure one device. And don't take my word for it. Let's see how it works in practice. One integrated solution is a game changer. For professionals, it means faster projects and easier maintenance. Users of the system get an end-to-end solution that covers everything. You might be thinking, is this allowed? Yes, even in the UK. Every single device has been tested and certified, full EN54 certification with the enhanced reassurance of system compatibility performance, EN54 Part 13, and even a Grade 2 certification. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it's already the reality for many sites around the world. Here is one example.
A project like this doesn't land on your desk by chance. It takes the right offer, the one that combines capability with real value. This time, such an offer was ours, thanks to Ajax. The owner needed both a fire alarm system and intrusion protection. For years, it meant two separate solutions, twice the labor, twice the maintenance. Plus, these walls are history. Running wires would be unwise. And a site of this scale, normally at least a month of work. With Ajax, we finished in a week, with 110 devices installed. Their latest EN54 fire alarm system is compatible with intrusion protection and even video surveillance, all using a single hub. The system is fully wireless. We covered every corner without tearing walls apart. The connection is stable across the site, despite the scale. Thick stone walls and endless corridors. And everything just worked instantly. Scan a device in the app, power it on, and boom, you're done. No programming, no building logic from scratch, just a few toggles in the app. For me, it was proof that safety could be powerful and simple at the same time. It feels like the industry has finally caught up with what we all desperately needed, and the client delighted. The owner now has a full picture of what's happening right on their smartphones. The solution gave the client confidence and earned me trust starting from day one. And what's truly special? The project doesn't end here. As the client's security needs grow, the system can easily grow along. Every maintenance visit becomes a chance to offer more functionality and more value. With Ajax, we don't just install equipment, we build long-term win-win relationships with each client.
Now you've seen everything. Ajax protection in a mansion where wireless systems were once seemingly impossible. Ajax offers two product lines for wireless fire and life safety, Residence and EN54 Line. Created for different applications, they're founded on the same guiding pillars: cutting-edge wireless technology, exceptional user experience, and seamless integration with intrusion protection and video surveillance. The EN54 line is already available to order in some countries, with more to follow in 2026. Of course, safety is not only about alarms, it's also about seeing the bigger picture. So get ready. This is video surveillance the Ajax way.